Welcome back everyone, we're back. I know it's been a while and I know I've promised that we're gonna get this working on this video, but it didn't happen because we've been really busy with customer cars and all that stuff. But today we're gonna be working on Dereck's car. Dereck, alright mate?
Hello. I'm okay.
Yeah?
Are you okay?
Yes. What are we doing in your car today?
Oh yeah, we're just gonna do the bushings.
Yeah? Show us the bushings.
Try with the black series. Nice and stiff.
Nice. This poly bushing?
Yes, all the poly bushings.
Very good.
Also got other bits, but I'm not gonna do that today. I've got all the adjustments to actually, but they all need welding in and stuff, but that's gonna be a whole subframe out job, and that I can't be bothered with that today.
Nice.
So bushings it is, so we'll just do that.
Good. Peter, you ready?
Yeah.
Looking forward for it?
Yes.
He says.
He's,
I'm just looking at what's going on
He
here.
says, and he's like, oh, I don't know actually. Let's see what we're going to find out. All I know is it's probably going to be a bit of a pig.
Because the whole thing need to come out.
Yeah.
perfect. I'll let them figure it out, and I got something to show you. And just earlier, before we started Dereck's car, we'd been doing some coilover job on this thing. Look at that. It's a Z4. It looks pretty cool. I really like the wheels on it. And what I like the most about it is the rear. I think it looks pretty mean. It's actually pretty good. And we also got a new van, look. It was a really good deal, that's why we got it. It's got a roof rack. It's got a ladder to go on the top. And it's got some racking at the back. So it's perfect for our drift days. What bushings are we changing?
Them right here. In one of the videos, previous videos, we've checked them and, well, that side was the worst one.
Okay, so that one and
that one right there. Because that's like V-shaped sort of.
oh,
The two that have probably been needing to be done for a very long while.
yeah.
Yeah, it's been fine until it wasn't.
Do you know what? I reckon it's still fine. Like, it's just got a little bit of slop in it. That'd be alright.
It'll be fine.
Yeah.
Why are we
Active
changing
toe,
it?
innit?
Why are we changing it then?
Because might as well just change it.
So
I don't
it's
have
not
to do
fine.
it again. It is. It's fine. It's just active toe, you know? It's that newfound technology.
Oh, I love it.
Do you reckon I should take this bit of the bumper off?
No,
Why did you say no before?
because I like it. I mean, it's your car, but I think it looks good.
Should we take it off? See what it looks like. Go from there.
Do you want? But it's your car.
Originally what goes up to here?
No, it's cut like way up.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
No, leave it on.
Yeah, but easy
I would
access. Oh, to be fair.
Easy access to what? Yeah, and then you're gonna even see the bash bar.
Yeah.
You know, shit.
I'll just buy a bash bar. Do it that way.
With a jacking point, yes.
Yeah. And then take this off.
Yeah.
So then it'll look cool.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's not.
It'll look like a drift car.
Yeah.
No.
Not like a rolling skip.
That sounds good, doesn't it?
Perfect. Drift car.
Where is it, Luz?
This one here.
Oh yeah.
Oh damn! You can actually turn it by end.
Yeah. It's better.
Yeah, but that's not what is.
It's
Are the
better
other
knackers.
ones loose?
No.
So that can't be the noise, can it?
It's this.
But
Right
then-
here.
I can hear it here on this.
Yeah. Well, it'll be a mixture of that, and it'll be. So if I do, if I can fucking do it.
Actually, yeah, the noise is
Can
from
hear
there.
here. It might be like all of them might not be tight that much. That's why it's still knocking.
Yeah.
These are prone. These are always prone. When you swap them, you always get a driveline rattle, and you just can't get rid of it, like at all.
That's weird.
So,
if it's
you
bolt-
know, if you ever notice when I turn, and then I dip the clutch in. It's like clunk, 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 clunk.
Yeah, that's the same what
That's the
Ruben
drive,
had on his
yeah,
car.
it's the
Yeah, my
drive
car
line
is pretty
round.
bad, to be honest.
You just can't, with these, you just can't get rid of it. Everyone I've spoke to about it, they said you just can't get rid of it.
That's just because it's welded diff? Or just it's a
Well,
swap
it's partially because of the welded diff, but obviously the whole front prop is different.
Okay.
Because obviously it's 2.8 gearbox, 2.8 front prop, but then all of that back is 1.6.
Ah, okay. So that's why it doesn't like go all the way
Yeah, that's
in
why
here.
it's not all the way. Yeah.
Okay. Because it seems to like.
Yeah, because that's actually fairly long. It goes all the way up, so it's butted up nicely.
That's why it's in properly as it should. But
it's in properly. It's just not. That's what I get.
Oh, that's all of them bolts need to be checked then.
Yeah, we'll check all the bolts, but that's what I get every time I turn.
And some of the noises from here and on. Yeah, there's definitely some play here.
It's going to be something, but it's an E30 diff, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, it's not that bad. Like, my car is a lot worse, to be fair. It makes a lot more noise than that, and...
My car.
Let's be jealous, mate.
I'm not jealous. It's I don't have to spend a fortune when it breaks.
Me neither.
Okay.
Why would I have to spend a fortune?
It's a 350Z. It's Jap. Everything's so much more expensive.
That's not true.
Yes.
No, it's not. It's a lot more parts for mine than for this. It might not be true, actually.
I beg to differ on that one.
Yeah,
100%.
I don't think that's actually the case. Alright, we're gonna get going with it. What did you say?
100% no poly.
Well, you think the poly bushes in there
It's
already?
polybushed already.
It does look a bit orange, doesn't it?
Yeah.
They do look like poly bushings. So why is there so much movement in it?
Just cheap. Well, yeah, worn out, or they're just cheap poly.
Soft.
Yeah,
Could
they're
be.
just very soft. Which obviously with drifting, you're not going to want that.
No,
You want
definitely
it to
not.
be nice, tight, not have to worry.
And yeah, if you ever need any mechanical work done, give us a shout, we'll help you. Well, we'll do it, you'll pay it. Well, yeah, definitely poly bushings, you can see it there. Alright, looks like the bushings are out and the new ones are in, but the boys find out something. What is it?
They worn
Okay.
like only on the bottom,
Yeah.
and you can see like worn marks here, and you can see the uneven holes.
That's probably why it was...
And even here, because you got that little groove here, but it's already worn here. Same, it's even worse here, to be fair.
Oh no, that's
Try and
not
take
even
it out, look, it's
straight,
just
yeah.
tore itself to
Yeah.
shreds.
Dang.
I'm trying to get this to free up so I can raise the rear a bit. Like I had from a previous video, I'm getting knocking in the rear, and it's still happening. So I'm thinking if I raise the car up, it'll stop it from happening. But it's kind of only one way to find out, really. That's just turning in the thing.
Is it turning? Oh, turning the whole
Turning
thing.
the vice, yeah. Okay.
Not great.
No.
I can feel the smoke coming out of your brain.
Yeah. My one brain cell
We got
is.
them big green pliers that you can, undo this.
Oh yeah, the
Show us
the
how it's done then, Peter.
the
Show us how it's done.
the
Come on, Peter.
Go big boys.
Come on, Peter. Show us how it is done. You've not got a lot to grip on.
Left.
Sure, why not? Oh, look at that. Needs more. Needs more. Come on. See?
slipping.
Yeah, not so strong now, are you? Yeah. Come on, do it like you mean it. Pete, do it like you mean it.
It's greasy.
I soaked it in WD to try and loosen it up. That's so crunchy.
There you go.
That's so crunchy.
So much sand in there.
Oh,
No, that does not sound good.
disgusting. Oh, that's mank.
There you go, adjustment done.
Yeah. Probably going to take it. I'm probably going to do it up to the top of the collar, to be fair.
That's what, 1 centimeter, like 10 mil, yeah.
I probably won't do it any higher. Just because obviously I don't want it monster trucking. So, yeah, I'll probably do it up to the top of the collar and go from there.
Yeah.
We've got to do the same for the other side now. Oh God, so much crud. So much crud.
You okay, Peter, mate?
Very good.
That'll do the job. That much.
Nice.
You reckon that'd be enough?
Yeah.
You reckon?
Yeah, you don't want monster truck
No.
either, do you?
I just want a bit more travel, because at the moment I feel like it's got nothing at all. So like, as soon as like, I hit a bump, like there's one bump in town, you'll know exactly where I'm on about, where you come up to that one roundabout and literally it's one bump to the small mini roundabout.
Yeah.
Feels like the whole rear end's jumping, so it's like it's solid. It feels horrible.
Hopefully that helps.
I'm hoping so. I actually make use of the spring instead of the bump stops.
Yeah.
Right, a bit more function, which is what we want. Might even raise the front a little bit while we're here.
Nice.
Why not? See what happens.
The rear is done and all back together. Happy?
Yeah, just got to tighten them up, drop it down on the weight and
Yeah, we're gonna drop it on top of the wheels so there is enough space to do the bolts. And Peter, starting out that prop shaft from earlier that was loose. That's nice and tight. When was the last time you did that, Peter? You went underneath the car?
5 months ago.
Not since we moved in here.
No.
Make sure if you do the bushings in your car, when it comes to tightening it up, don't tighten it up in the air. You have to get it down, make sure it's under load to tighten it up.
It's not that bad actually.
Stop.
That's better. It's got to settle a bit anyway, isn't it?
Yeah,
It'll have to settle a bit.
it's definitely a lot higher. Oh my god, look at that.
That's perfection, mate. Look at it. Perfection. eBay special.
What?
I want to raise it, not lower it. I've gone the wrong way around.
Actually, now you want to tighten that up. Not tight, but...
Now I've got to go back the other way.
Yeah. It's alright, we'll cut this bit out of the video.
No, you won't.
No, I won't.
Oh, no, you won't.
How'd you know? How'd you know I
Don't
wasn't
fucking
cutting?
lie to me. I know exactly your game. You ain't gonna fucking cut it. You're gonna probably highlight it and be like, haha, look at this idiot. And you'd be right. Just get Ruben's opinion, because last time he drove it, it was horrific. And yeah, so far I've still got that knocking.
Yeah, I think it's that wheel, mate. This one, top right.
No, at the back.
You reckon?
Yeah. I reckon it's that fucking top mount again.
I forgot that driving this I can see anything. Like I need a pillow.
So he gets to being a short ass.
And yes, hold on, we're leaving the private property.
Yeah.
Don't get me done.
Oh yeah. It feels different already. Even from like passengers, it feels different.
It feels pretty good, to be fair.
It feels so much nicer. It feels a bit more functional over it being stancy pants. Send it.
Nice. I like it.
Being that you've only driven this once before,
Yeah.
and now this is the second time, what is your opinion now?
I like it, mate. I think it definitely. I mean, obviously, it's the second time I drive, so I was already knew a bit of what to expect. But I feel like it's a bit more drivable. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Last time it felt a bit like really stiff and tight and
Bit skittish.
Yeah. Now it's like a bit more grippy, a little roll to it. Not excessive, but nice, a little nice roll to, like, you know, to grip
Yeah.
into the road and that. So I like it, like I like it. I really like
That's
it.
good.
Even when you got it a little sideways, it's like points on the right direction. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like I like it. I really do.
No.
It makes me want to get one.
Well, time to sell the Z then, isn't it?
No, I'll get one without selling the Z. Well, I'll never sell the Z. How do you put the reverse?
Oh, so it's all the way
I see.
like the 46. Exactly the same.
That's it for today's video. It was fun. The Dereck's car does feel a lot better. Massive difference. Are you happy?
Yeah, it's night and day. It's great. So much better.
Good.
Couple little bits still need to tweak, but yeah, no, a lot better.
Nice.
A lot better.
Peter?
Yeah, I'm exhausted. Very much.
I know. It's been a really long
My
week.
hands it's like orangutan hands. Stretching every single time we're here.
Yeah.
It was hard, but it was really good actually.
Pays off.
Surprising. No, because they weren't a stock bushings,
Yeah.
which would be pain to take them out.
Yeah, that-
So we'll have to
that
probably
bunch.
take the whole arm. In that case, someone did a half job for us.
It was a lot better.
Well worth it.
Peace out.
Bye bye.
Latest taters. Send it.